Good morning, everybody. We're in the warehouse, and as you know, we went to Modex, and which is a big packaging convention thing. And the only thing we actually bought there is this, and this is pretty lean. This is a forklift level monitor, so. You know, forklift can go up and down, but it also tilts back and forth. And this lets you know if the forks are level. Show them how it works. Aaron. Not level. Bam. And we also have one for our double reach. And this is even more important because with the double reach truck, you're going 2 rack positions back and you can't see the second pallet. So knowing that your forks are level is useful.
Very useful.
Can you describe what happens when the forks aren't level and you go grab a pallet?
Anytime the forks aren't level and you go grab a pallet, you risk the chance of running the forks through the boxes on the pallet, damaging the goods.
We've never done that though.
No.
Not once.
Never.
But it could happen.
Yeah. You can also, even that thin little gap, you can hit the pallet, move it, cause it to get knocked over. That could be very dangerous, which we've never done either. But,
sounds like we got this stuff just in time.
Yeah. So having this now is going to save me a lot of time. Anytime I go up through here and have to get one from the second row back at the top, it involves a lot of eye straining and a lot of, oh, do this, not that, nope, thought I had it, didn't have it. It's a lot of time wasted every day. So now that I have this, go right up, check it out, slide it right in, pull it right out.
Yeah, this is a very cool piece of technology.
And when your forks are about that high up, it's a pretty wild guessing game to do this over and over and over to figure out if you are level. But now I have this right here.
Bam! That's lean as F.